I want to introduce you to my online course that's coming out starting on May 10th, 2021. It's called The Scheme. And so this course is specifically designed for people who want to start a business. You know, you have a business idea, and you don't know like where to start, what to do, what you need to get going. I can help you with that. If you also just want an extra source of income, you want to start a side hustle, or you want to go into something new full time, but you don't have a business idea, you don't know what's available, I can help you with that, right? Um, Something else that I can also help you with is if you have a business that's already set up. However, you're struggling with sales, you're trying to understand like what's really going on. You're trying to move the needle. I pretty much recommend a relaunch strategy, and so that's why this course will be great for you. So it's called The Scheme, and so basically you're drafting that great plan that will get you on the road to 6 figures, which eventually leads to 7 figures.